Is density of a gas mixture and density of a single component is same or not? Let me in the comments box. In this video we are going to discuss about this. Okay, so let's consider that there is a my system, and in this system there is a mixture. Okay, the mixture of A, B and C. Okay, this is my gas mixture, and in this gas mixture there are my three components A, B and C. Got it my point? Now to determine the density, what I'll do, I'll first consider the ideal gas equation. Okay, so what is the ideal gas equation? Ideal gas equation is PV is equal to nRT, right? Where P is a pressure, P is a pressure. Let's suppose the unit is in Pascal. V is a volume in cubic meter. N is a number of moles. R is a universal gas constant. And let's suppose the unit will be Pascal, cubic meter, kilomole, Kelvin, and it is also equivalent to kilojoule per kilomole Kelvin. Okay, and then the temperature in Kelvin. Got it my point? And here these all parameters are with respect to the system, or we can say that with respect to gas mixture. Okay, if we will have to talk about the particular component, so we will take a particular component like A, B and C. Now see here, if I rearrange my equation number 1, so how I'll write it P by RT is equal to N by V. Okay, means number of moles per unit volume. This is a concentration, right? Number of moles per unit volume, and this term is also known as the molar density. Okay, the molar density, that is N by V, right? But we want to find the density. So how can we find the density? What we will do, we will multiply both sides by molecular weight. Okay, so as you know the formula of number of moles, that is N is equal to given mass, suppose that is M, divided by molecular weight. Okay, now what will happen if we will multiply both sides with molecular weight? So what is the molecular weight? The molecular weight will be mass divided by number of moles. So let's multiply here both sides. So at this side P, that is a pressure, R into T into molecular weight. I am multiplying with the molecular weight is equal to, see here, that is N, number of moles, into volume, N by V. Instead of writing molecular weight, I am writing here M by V. Okay, sorry, M by N. So this N and this N will be cancelled out. So this mass by volume will be become my density. Okay, this is the density. Okay, and this is my formula. Here you can see one thing, that is pressure P into molecular weight divided by RT is equal to rho. But what is the rho? Means this is with respect to overall and with respect to a single component. So this is with respect to a single component, or I can say density of gas. Okay, and this is also with respect to gas, means this pressure will be total pressure, this is a universal gas constant, and this will be the temperature of the system, and this will be the pressure of the system. But this molecular weight will be of that particular gas, suppose here A, B or C. Got it my point? But now if I want to calculate the density of a gas mixture, so for that gas mixture I'll have to consider here this molecular weight of a gas. I'll have to consider here the average molecular weight of a gas mixture. Got it my point? Then only I'll be able to here find out the, you can say, the density of a gas mixture. Okay, so the density of a mixture means the gas mixture will be equal to P. Okay, I am simply writing here PT will be the average molecular weight divided by RT. This is my formula for the gas mixture. Okay, if there is a suppose 3 components A, B and C, or 2 components, that is a binary mixture. So I'll write here, if I have to find out the density of a mixture, so I'll find with this formula, that is PT, average molecular weight divided by RT. But if I have to find the density of a gas, okay, only gas, only a single component, only a single component, then here the molecular weight will be only of that single component. Okay, I hope you got my point, what I want to say. And other all parameters will be same. This will be my PT, R and T, right? So that's how we find the density of a gas mixture and density of a single component. Okay, so these are not the same. Okay, sometimes I see that students write both are same, but these are not the same. These are different by the molecular weight. Okay, and let me in the comments box what is the formula of the average molecular weight. So thank you for this video. See you soon.